Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install TRM Labs for transaction risk scoring, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install TRM Labs for transaction risk scoring, begin by visiting the official TRM Labs website. Locate the Get Started or Sign Up button on the home page and click on it. Create an account by filling in the required fields with your name, email, and a secure password. After submitting your information, check your email for a verification link. Click on the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is active, log in using the credentials you just created. Navigate to the dashboard where you will find the option to integrate TRM Labs with your existing systems. Select the integration method that best suits your organization's needs. If you are using an API, locate the API documentation to understand the endpoints available. Follow the instructions provided in the documentation to generate your API key. Copy the API key and keep it secure, as you will need it for the integration process. If you prefer using a pre-built solution, explore the available plugins or SDKs compatible with your platform. Download the appropriate package and extract it to your desired location. Follow the installation instructions included in the package to install TRM Labs on your system. Once installed, navigate to the configuration settings. Here, input your API key to establish a connection with TRM Labs. Adjust any additional settings to tailor the transaction risk scoring to your specific business needs. Next, conduct a test transaction to ensure that everything is functioning correctly. Monitor the risk scoring results and make any necessary adjustments based on your findings. Finally, familiarize yourself with the reporting features available within TRM Labs for ongoing monitoring. You are now ready to utilize TRM Labs for transaction risk scoring effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.